All right, so here in losers quarters, we have Vendetta versus Dom.
Ow. Oh my God. I'm sorry if that was really loud. Oh, God.
All right.
Whoops. 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 We're good, though.
So it's going to be Bayo versus, I'm thinking, Ryu.
What are you thinking? You thinking Ryu?
I don't think he's going to go Mac against Bayonetta.
I've seen his Mac. Remember when he played Kurodime?
Yes. Okay, that was actually disgusting.
Yeah. Guy looked like a newborn baby.
Yes. Just flailing around.
Little piggy.
I'm interested to see what he does end up playing, though. So we're going to see, obviously, Dom the Bayo, playing Bayo.
Really?
Yeah. I never would have thought, really. What are you doing? All right. I'm going to flip it again. Just had it. So he is looking like he's going to go with the Mac. Decides, you know, probably his best idea, I guess. On it. Let's go to On It.
I like On It.
On It's quite the stage. It's fun.
Is Dom going to ban FD?
I haven't yet. I can. All right. So I'm going to go play my Arcadian match.
Okay, bye.
So.
See you later. So we're starting game one on Lilat here, and we're already with the with the projectiles here. You know, Vendetta actually doesn't do that bad against Bayos with Little Mac. He's never really played Dom before, so it's hard to say, I guess. Hard to say how this is gonna go. Dom has knowledge. He has a good amount of knowledge on most of the characters in this game, considering he pockets everybody. Low key though. Ooh, big forward smash there and he tried to get him with the up smash. So he has KO punch, but he's also just gone. Yeah, he's gonna lose that by being off stage. This is a best of 5, so we have some time here to, I guess, see what's gonna happen. We have some time to figure out like how this matchup is actually gonna shake out. If he's gonna go Ryu. Dom actually plays a little bit of Ryu too, so he knows. He knows. But we have yet to lose a stock here, and never mind. So a big up tilt or up smash. I forget which one that is. Big up air. There we go. I know what that move is. Damn it. So Dom taking the stock right after losing a stock, actually kind of early. You know, he was putting on a lot of pressure on Vendetta, but Vendetta was able to get sort of a clutch early kill, and now we're pretty much back even to where we were before. Ooh, he thought that would have been big damage right there. And you'll notice that Vendetta is just sort of going to pop you up and hope that you're going to do something stupid. Like if you don't jump out, like you're gonna get hit by a smash attack. But also could be conditioning him to jump. You know, he has that up B available at certain percents. That's a kill move. But right now, all right, he's gonna get back on stage. Oh, he's gonna get witch time there. Dom loves to witch time. Doesn't get the down smash. Vendetta's just gonna keep center stage here. Never mind, he lost center stage. He wants to catch him, and he's got the KO punch here. Dom's got to be careful. He can't just do whatever. Oh, never mind. That's wild. He just loses KO punch like off a little hit like that. Vendetta getting juggled here, but this is just like the first stock that we saw. All it's going to take is one big hit for him to get this kill here. Bayonetta is not very heavy, and he's got rage, but he falls out of the up B, and that's going to do it. Vendetta losing game one, Dom taking game one. However you want to describe it, Bayo won. All right, so he's gonna stick with the Mac. Return of the Mac even, because the Mac's coming back. He's gonna go back to Lilat. All right. Sort of just like what we saw last game. Starting off with the bullets, starting off with some Bayo combos, getting up that percent here. Another witch time, and It's almost like he's sort of just throwing these out, and oh yeah, he's dead. Yeah, see, just a lot of witch times there, because that's what you got to do. Now he can punish that witch time if he knows it's coming, but the problem is right now Vendetta is not getting an opening. Dom is just opening him up and sort of just taking whatever he wants out of the inside. Another witch time, and things are looking rough. Still has the KO punch, but he makes it back. He had his jump, but his jump's not gonna save him there. So back air, big back air from Dom. Dom's gonna go up 2-0 here. He's gonna go with the Ryu. Who would have thought? So he's gonna go with the white, crisp, pressed clothes Ryu. He's got his nice white shirt and his black belt. He's looking icy as hell right now. No shoes. He don't need Yeezys. And I don't know why it took him this long to switch, but after a game 2 like that, that was destruction. I could definitely see why he would want to switch. Ooh, Dom's gonna SD there. We'll take that. We will take that. If we're Vendetta, we're gonna take that. We'll see what happens here, but Dom's gonna come right out the gate swinging again. He knows. Oh boy, and that's gonna take his stock right back. Doesn't matter that he got the SD. Dom's getting a ton off of witch time right now, which is, you don't normally see that. Honestly, like, people complain about witch time all the time, but a lot of times you just see Bayo players get a lot off of their combo game, but he's getting a lot of conversions off of witch time. Vendetta is just sort of being baited into just throwing out a hitbox and getting witch time. Oh, and takes him off the side, not gonna kill him yet. And wow, he went for the down air there. And he tried to style there. Vendetta taking it. He might get a little momentum off of that. Dom had some sauce. Like, he was definitely trying his best to get that kill, but going back to Town and City. Fair. Fair. So, back again at Town and City. And wow, he's dead. Oh boy, this is tough. This is gonna be a big hill to climb for the boy Vendetta. Dom with a beautiful combo, taking him off the top there. That's gonna take some wind out of Vendetta's sails for sure. And Dom's got all the momentum right now. God, he up B's out of that. You know, normally you see Ryu get a down air off of that and get a quick kill, but not that time. All right, little trade there. Another trade. Wow, because that up tilt, so good. And Vendetta is definitely on the ropes here. Random Shoryu. Excuse me. Random Shoryu back air. Not going to do it yet, but I can't imagine things are yeah, that's going to take it. So a 3-1 Dom over Vendetta. Could have been a 3-0, honestly, but Vendetta did make top 8. So shout outs to him for that. Dom will be moving on to face Draxel.